So we need another one. Yeah, clockwise. So how do you read a clock? No, we're good. I don't need that. What the heck, man? Hannah, I mean Hope. Hey, Gracie, yo, you look so cool with your sunglasses, bro. No. Well, yep, stay that way. Oh, sure. A little early. I mean late. I don't know. Other way. Oh boy. Yo, what's up, my guy? Oh my god. Gracie! She cannot see anything. There's just no way. Hey, Gracie, I saw you. What's up? I hope they get that on the microphone. Yeah. Rotate clock. Oh boy. Clockwise. Is that way. Oh boy. Yeah. Hey, Gracie. Hey. Can I have like a high five though? Yeah. Anne has a ball. Oh, she needs it. No one tries to make the nickname stick except for me. But it has to fit them like Pip fit. Like Pink fit. We're drinking so much water. I'm gonna throw up now. No love for the big man. It's gonna be on film now. Wait. Oh, I have a question. Oh, Anne? Yeah. I'm gonna try. We can't have two hands. By 3, Big D! Oh boy. This one you could go counterclockwise a lot better than clockwise, but 2. Nope, we have 2. Oh, 2. So not 4. I'm always like, it's my shining moment, and then I miss it. And then it's not my shining moment. There we go. Wow. One shining moment. Oh boy, Addie, look at that. Nope, not even close. That's 4. One more. No, we need 7. We need 7. Flea! Rotate, always clockwise. Clockwise! No, yeah, that way. Never mind. I got it. Oh, baby! That's nice, Micah. Micah, why are you wearing a coat? No, why aren't you wearing a coat? You didn't get my camo joke. Just go wherever I want to be. Oh, wow, yeah, amazing. Oh, the ref didn't see it. He didn't see it. That would have been a nice time for your reverse floater, Delaney. See, when in doubt, just drive and shoot it.
Okay, they have Madison, so they're going to make half court shots.
What the? No. Oh, great. 2 claps for Sari. And that's in the peanut gallery on the sideline.
And that here.
Here we go. Got it.